everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Jessica, and I'm very happy to have you here today.
Hi everyone, I'm Mike. Thank you for joining us. Today's episode is very special because we're talking about the new year and learning English together.
Yes, exactly. This podcast is perfect for beginners. If you want to practice easy English conversation and improve your speaking, you are in the right place.
Don't worry if your English is not perfect. You don't need perfect English here. You just need to listen, repeat, and enjoy.
That's right. And today, we'll talk slowly and clearly so you can understand easily.
So let's begin with a simple question. Jessica, how do you feel about the new year?
I feel excited, Mike. The new year feels like a fresh start. It's a new chance to learn new things and make better habits.
I feel the same. Many people make New Year's goals. Some people want to eat healthy, some want to exercise, and many people want to learn English.
Yes, learning English is a very popular New Year goal, and it's a great goal, by the way.
Definitely. English can help you in your job, your studies, and even when you travel or watch movies.
Mike, let's help our listeners practice a simple New Year sentence.
Good idea. Everyone, listen and repeat after me. My New Year goal is to learn English.
Great. Let's say it again, slowly. My New Year goal is to learn English.
Very good. You can also change the sentence. For example, my New Year goal is to speak English better.
Nice. Mike, do you have a New Year goal?
Yes, I do. My New Year goal is to practice English every day, even if it's only for 10 minutes.
That's a very smart goal. Short practice every day is better than long practice one time a week.
Exactly. Jessica, what about you?
My New Year goal is to help more people learn English and feel confident speaking it.
That's wonderful, and I'm sure our listeners appreciate that.
Thank you, Mike.
Now, let's talk about simple New Year conversations. Imagine you meet someone on January 1st. What do you say?
You can say, Happy New Year.
Yes, very simple. Let's practice together. Happy New Year.
Good. You can also say, Happy New Year. How are you?
Or, Happy New Year. I hope you are doing well.
Mike, sometimes people ask, what are your New Year plans? That's a very common question.
You're right. Let's practice an easy answer. My plan is to study English.
Or you can say, I want to improve my English speaking.
Very nice. Jessica, do you remember your English level when you first started learning?
Oh, yes, I remember. I was very shy. I was scared to make mistakes.
Me too. I was afraid people would laugh at my English.
But the funny thing is, mistakes help us learn. If you don't make mistakes, you don't improve.
That's true. So listeners, don't be afraid. Making mistakes is okay.
Absolutely. Now, let's do a short role play for beginners.
Great. I'll start. Happy New Year, Jessica.
Happy New Year, Mike. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. What are your plans for the new year?
My plan is to practice English every day.
That's great. Good luck.
Thank you.
Very simple, very useful.
Yes. Listeners, you can practice this dialogue with a friend or even alone.
You can pause the podcast and repeat after us.
Mike, many beginners ask, how can I improve my English speaking in the new year?
That's a good question. I think the first step is listening. Listen to English every day.
Yes, podcasts like this one are very helpful.
The second step is speaking. Speak English even if you speak alone.
You can talk to yourself in English. For example, today is Monday. I am drinking tea.
Yes, it may feel funny, but it really works.
And the third step is practice simple sentences. Don't try to speak very difficult English.
Simple English is powerful.
Now, let's practice some easy New Year vocabulary.
Okay, the first word is goal. A goal is something you want to do.
For example, my goal is to learn English.
The next word is plan. A plan is what you want to do in the future.
For example, my plan is to study every morning.
The next word is improve. Improve means to get better.
I want to improve my English.
Excellent. Jessica, let's talk about confidence.
Confidence is very important. When you believe in yourself, learning becomes easier.
Yes, even if your English is simple, speak with confidence.
Jessica, what advice do you have for shy English learners?
I would say start small. Say one sentence a day. Tomorrow, say 2 sentences.
That's a great advice.
Also, remember that everyone starts from 0.
Very true. Nobody is born speaking English.
Now, let's practice a longer New Year sentence.
Okay, listen carefully. This new year, I want to speak English with confidence.
Let's say it again slowly. This new year, I want to speak English with confidence.
Excellent. Mike, do you think New Year is a good time to start learning English?
Yes, absolutely. The new year gives us motivation and fresh energy.
And even if you start late, it's never too late to learn.
Exactly. January, February, or even December, any time is good.
Mike, sometimes learners say, I don't have time.
I hear that a lot.
What do you say to them?
I say you don't need hours. You just need 10 minutes a day.
10 minutes of listening, speaking, or reading can make a big difference.
Yes, consistency is more important than time.
Now, let's do another short conversation.
Okay.
Jessica, what is your New Year goal?
My New Year goal is to improve my English speaking.
That's nice. How will you do that?
I will listen to English podcasts and practice every day.
Great idea.
Very simple, very natural.
Listeners, you can change the words and make your own sentences.
Jessica, what message do you want to give our listeners for the new year?
I want to say this. Believe in yourself. You can learn English, step by step, day by day.
That's a beautiful message.
Thank you, Mike.
And I want to say, don't quit. Even when English feels hard, keep going.
Yes, learning English is a journey, not a race.
Sometimes a slow walk is better than a fast run.
Exactly. Before we finish, let's practice one last sentence together.
Okay, everyone, listen and repeat. This year, I will not give up on English.
One more time. This year, I will not give up on English. Amazing. You're doing great.
Thank you for listening to our podcast today. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Happy New Year, everyone.
Happy New Year, and see you next time.
Bye-bye.